Stay calm and don't go crazy with the approach I'm going to teach you in this video. This information isn't generally known by the wider population, and I'm advising you to best follow this method. In my opinion, instructions. If you have natural objectives, I could only utilize this properly. This is without a doubt an extremely simple way to make money online, and I can show you how to do it by way of the use of this website where you can earn a lot of money for only a few minutes of work. This may not work if you're too lazy to follow all of the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. And if you actually need to make money online, you got to observe along. Before we go any further with this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. To begin, I would like you to go to this website, G2.com. On this website, we can find a variety of software program categories, as you can see here, with a variety of ratings ranging from 1 to 5 stars. Here's the thing. By rating the software on this website, you can earn money time after time. It's a lot easier than you might think. However, pay close attention because I will show you how to accomplish this in practice. First, scroll down and look for the Submit Review option. What we want to do is write a review and be paid for it. So go ahead and click it. It will lead you to this page. As you can see, there are steps that you must take. First, you must choose a software application to give a score to. Then you must write a review, and last you may publish it on LinkedIn. If you do this, you will be able to make some candy cash again and again. Allow us to look deeper into greater detail. Now find a product in which you need to put in writing an assessment. As you can see right here, there are a group of classes such as marketing, sales, media, and verbal exchange, and so on. Now allow us to say that you need to review a product within information technology. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to this webpage right here. If we scroll down, there are a lot of software to choose from and provide scores too. Remember that your earning opportunities here are limitless, but don't get overwhelmed. We can do that step by step. For this situation, I'll be selecting Google on an account that many of you may have heard of and even used before, and the website will indicate which you have decided. On one product, you may select a couple of products to show ratings for, but for the time being, we may utilize this one. But before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video thus far. Alright, it's now time to get back to work and make some money. Click on this blue Continue button over here and you'll be directed to a page that says to write a short review on the product that you use. Then click the review button. To get started, however, you must first register in and establish an account here on G2. After you're finished, you may begin your review and make money by clicking on this blue button and signing in with your LinkedIn account, email, or Google. Then you must verify your account by clicking the link that they have provided you. As soon as you have confirmed your account, you can proceed to the next step. We can now begin writing our review of the product that we selected. Simply visit the form and pay attention to the question of how likely it is that you would recommend Google Cloud to a friend or colleague. You can rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being not likely and 10 being very likely. In this situation, I love using Google, therefore I'll give it a 10 since it is extremely likely that I will recommend it to my friends. Now, under the title of your review, describe your satisfaction in a brief sentence. Bonus tip: when you log into Google, you will find a variety of statistics about it, and on top of that, you can see that there are already a number of opinions about it. By looking at their examples, you could catch a few rough ideas on how you may write your own assessment of Google Drive. Here you can see what they may be telling us, why they like Google Drive, and what they do not like about it. By going through these types of reviews by different people, you can get something like opinions while writing your personal review. So you can start making a living right away. Going back to our very own assessment that we're writing, let us properly place this title right here. Moving on to the next question, you have to do your best to respond to all of them. You may come across questions like, what do you want best and what do you dislike, and so forth. You only have 40 characters for each question, and you may refer to reviews here on G2.com, where there are hundreds and hundreds of posted reviews already. These types of reviews come from all over the world. What makes it outstanding is that it is entirely free, so you don't have to worry. This is a lot simpler than what most people think. Once you've finished giving the score and writing an easy review, all you have to do now is agree to the statement that certifies that the assessment is a legitimate assessment of yours and that it was submitted in line with the agreement of use. Simply click the blue button to verify, and as soon as this is completed, we can truly put the whole thing up. Consider that this is something you can do over and over again to earn a commission. There are endless software programs available that you could evaluate. You don't need to pay for a subscription for this website either, nor do you need any skills. It's that simple. Well, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.